Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to create donut charts in Excel. So for this, we will go in Excel workbook. In the first column, we are having gender, and in the second column, we are having frequency. Now select the data, press Insert, and activate the donut. Click here. So your donut is ready. Now click here. If you want to add any chart element, activate from here. Let's say you want to enter chart title, above the chart, centered overlay, data labels, show, data callouts, legends, right, top, left, bottom. The layout can also be changed from here. Layout 2, layout 3. So let's select any one of them. Now you can also change the chart styles from here. One by one, we will see all of them. So let's go with the basic. Now press the plus sign. Whatever chart elements which you want to add, you can add from here also. It's the same thing which we had discussed here. It's basically a shortcut which is provided here. So now press here. The style can also be changed from here. Moreover, the color can also be changed. If you want to filter the data, it can be done here. Let's say I don't want the male categories to be displayed. Remove it. Apply. I'll press Ctrl Z again. Now let's start the formatting of this plot area as well as the chart area. Double click on it. So you will get the chart area. Click here, solid field. So let's select the light color. Gradient field, picture or texture field, pattern. You can select any pattern from here. Now click on the field, activate the border. So if you require a border, activate the solid line. It's basically this line. The transparency can be increased or decreased of this line. Width of the line can be increased. Color can be changed from here. Dash type, we can have a dotted. And let's say we want a rounded corners. Now click on effects, shadow. Presets are there. We want the inner bottom shadow and it has appeared. Color, transparency can be increased or decreased. Blur, angle, distance, we can also activate glow. So the presets are available. Let's pick up this. Color of the glow, size of the glow, transparency, soft edges. Again, activate the presets. And the size can be changed from here. 3D format. So for the chart area, 3D format is also available. Now click here. Size of the chart, that is height, can be increased, width can be increased. In properties, keep the things as it is. In text options, text field, all the options like solid field, gradient field, picture, everything is available. And text outline, if it is necessary, activate it. So solid line has appeared. Now go in the effects. Do we require the reflection? If yes, then activate it and click here and you see the reflection has appeared. All other options we already discussed like shadow, glow, soft edges, 3D format. Now double click on this. Fill options, fill, fill, solid fill. So you can change the color from here. If you want to change a single color, what you will do? Let me press Ctrl Z. I'll click on this part, double click on it, fill, change the color. Okay, now I want to change this color. Click on the white part, double click on it, and now change the color. Just a minute, Ctrl Z. I'll again click on the white part. And fill, click here, and take the blue color. Yeah, done. So let's proceed further. Double click on it. Now there is one more option which is left out to discuss angle of the first slice. From where to start? So do you want to start from 0 degree or 100 degree? We can change from here. Donut explosion. Is it necessary or not? The size of the hole. It can be adjusted from here. Now double click on this. Where do we want the legend? Top, bottom, left, right, top right. You can select the chart styles from here also. So this was all about creating the donut charts in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to share and like this video. You can also refer my playlist in which I uploaded many videos on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. You can join me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram, link given in the description box.